Here's the dresser I started with. I used Keek wood to make any repairs, and then I used feed and wax to bring out the natural wood and to seal it. The paint I used was from Melange. It was called Basilisk Blue. As you can see, this paint is really amazing and it goes on very smooth. So on this dresser, I did about 3 coats on all sides. On the front part of the dresser, I used a smaller brush to make sure to get all the little edges. I really enjoyed using this paint, and wow, here is the final product. This dresser was a very easy flip that even you can do. So click below to subscribe and watch more videos.